There, check it out.
In Jennifer Cody's 5th grade science class, students are looking at fossils and learning about prehistoric conditions in their hometown.
I like to get them to think about the weirdness that these fossils were found in the middle of Pennsylvania, but they're seashells.
But by the time they get to 5th grade, most kids might already be lagging behind in basic science skills.
Unlike prior research, we started to investigate these gaps beginning in kindergarten.
Education researcher Paul Morgan and fellow researchers examined data from nearly 8,000 students from kindergarten to 8th grade and the students' general knowledge of the world around them.
What does a fireman do, or what do planes and trains have in common?
About 70% of low-income children displayed low levels of general knowledge about the world, compared with 10% of high-income children.
The bad news is that these gaps start really early and much earlier than perhaps we knew.
Most started behind, scored low in science tests, and then stayed behind. But Morgan says parents can help close the science gap. Ask kids questions about everyday things. Like, where does rain come from and where does the water go after? At a construction site, talk about what the machines do and ask why. And at the bookstore, look for nonfiction.
We might be picking up fairy tales and stories about unicorns and rainbows a lot more than we're picking up stories about dinosaurs and castles.
Because by learning about dinosaurs and the clues they've left behind, you could be sparking interest in science for the next generation. I'm Jessica Sanchez reporting.